The metaverse is a revolution, a digital frontier built on the bedrock of groundbreaking technology. But building within this virtual landscape demands more than just creativity. It requires technical mastery. Introducing Oodles Technologies, a team of elite developers who push the boundaries of the possible. At the core of our expertise lies a comprehensive toolkit. Our developers are architects of immersive worlds, wielding game engines like Unity 3D and Unreal Engine to craft breathtaking 3D environments with stunning fidelity. Our team is fluent in the intricacies of AR/VR development. We seamlessly integrate ARKit, ARCore, and WebXR, allowing for groundbreaking experiences that seamlessly blend the physical and virtual worlds. But a truly immersive metaverse thrives on real-time interaction. That's where our expertise in high-performance computing and spatial networking shines. Our developers craft hyper-realistic simulations for product prototyping, allowing for rigorous testing and feedback before physical production begins. This translates to cost savings and faster time to market for your business. Imagine seamless collaboration across geographical boundaries. We create immersive virtual spaces for design meetings, fostering creative brainstorming and efficient decision-making. Our expertise extends to the realm of architecture and engineering. We create detailed 3D models and virtual environments, allowing for precise planning and design review before construction begins. At Oodles Technologies, we understand that the metaverse thrives on pushing boundaries. We don't just build, we collaborate. Do you have a groundbreaking concept for the metaverse? Contact us today and let's unlock the potential of the metaverse together.